Yeah, let's go. You got that cinnamon?
Yeah, we got it.
You got that toast?
Yeah, we got it.
You got that crunch?
Oh man, yeah, we got
Hey,
it.
what you got? Yeah, the cinnamon toast crunch.
Time to cut some box tops and make this cereal into a shake. Step 1, ice. Step 2, water. 2 scoops of the vanilla protein drink mix. 2 scoops of the dulce de leche Formula 1. 1 teaspoon of the caramel creamy flavoring mix. 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Sugar-free caramel sauce. Dust the sides of the cup with a little bit of cinnamon. Go ahead and throw away that unhealthy, sugary-filled cereal and replace it with one of these delicious meal replacement protein shakes that taste just like it. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I promise you, this is going to taste better and be better for you. If you like any of the recipes that we share on this page, you can always look in the captions down below. We'll always put them down there. You can just copy and paste it and send it to your team. Make sure to like and subscribe. Share this out to anybody who wants to make a delicious meal replacement protein shake.
You're simply the best.